Good morning, guys. Welcome to Blitreviews. Today we have a unboxing that just hit my front porch from Nike. So let's get it. Without further ado, guys, let's get into this box. Pull out my handy dandy pocket knife here and bust this thing wide open. All right, let's see what we got today. Alright guys, right away let's go over the box. We got the Jumpman 00023, retails 110. These are the Jordan Aerospace 720s, size 10.5. Right away the top of the box has Design for Flight in the bottom and pluses on every side, and Jumpman right there. This is a very different box than what we usually get. I'm going to give you a rotation so you can see what all is on these in case you get a pair floating around, you know they're legit or not. Open it up. We have some writing, Jumpman 00023, inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Stamp over here on the corner. We got the pluses again. And the paper is also has this, it's very different as well. It has little squares and it has 00023 on it. So let's open this bad boy up and let's see what we got inside. Let's jump into this. I'm going to give you a slow rotation. This is the right shoe. Then I'll go into detail what everything means. There's the right one. Here's the left one. Here's the bottom of the right one. Here's the left one. There's a bunch of different details that are different on each shoe. So let's jump into these. There's so much detail on this one. Here's the right one. We have the air bubble that goes all the way around. The bottom has the Air 720 right there with the Lyrical Lemonade colors. The Jumpman, this is on both of the shoes. We have the 00023 right here. We have the plus back here. We have the Air 720 right here as well. On the toe box, it says inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Right there. I'm gonna try to get it where you can see it right there. And the shoestring starts in the center and works its way around through the eyelets up to the top. On the right one, there's this space right here that's with the Jumpman above it. And on the tongue on the inside, it says Lemonade. And it has these different colored lemons on the back. And it has the green to the pink to the yellow to the Easter blue. I'm gonna bust these out on Easter. I'll wear them maybe before then. These are gonna be my Easter special shoes. And this is 3M reflective as well, guys. Right here, and I believe on the shoestrings as well. I think that is. I will get into that in a minute and tell you the facts on that. On the insert, on the insole, we have the lemon, the same to match the tongue. And so much great detail was put into these. And here's the left one. The left one has right here 00023, where the other one has the inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Now the same 00023 plus sign with the Air 720 right here with the bubble around it, same bottom, Air 720. Now this has the Lyrical Lemonade on the tongue here with the Jumpman as well over here. And this one says Lyrical right here. And these are 3M, like I said, and I believe the shoestrings maybe. I'll get into those facts here in a second. Now, these back right here, these right here are different colors, as you can tell, right here. And the insert is different as well on this. It has the Jumpman, and it says 100% real music on the inside right there. And this one says Lyrical Lemonade up in there. It's hard to get in there and see, but let me get into the story behind these. I'm going to give you one more really slow turnaround on these, and then we'll get into the details, and then we'll get into the own feet so you can see what they look like. And here's the right one. Guys, this sold out instantly. I got in line, and like the sneakers app usually I don't do that great on it. I've bought several pairs this week. That could be why I was in line and I won. I bought several pairs of shoes on that app exclusively this week, so that could be the reason. I don't know, but I was happy to get them. I jumped on and snagged them, and then I went back and they were sold out, so I'm really happy about that. So let's get into the details, guys. From covering Chief Keef, Chance the Rapper, and others to co-founding the Summer Smash Music Festival, now Jordan Brand has collaborated with this company to create this awesome shoe that I just showed you guys. Guys, you can't think about logos in the world of sneakers without thinking about Nike Swoosh, Jumpman's Jordan. You can't think about the world of hip hop and the youth specifically driven Chicago scene without thinking about Lyrical Lemonade. Now, going on with that, you can see this cartoon at the beginning of videos by Juice WRLD, Famous Dex, and the list goes on. Now, it didn't start that way. It started as an online blog by ColeBennett in 2013, only in high school, and has since went on to become a multimedia company with over 12 million subscribers and growing. So major props, man. All-Star Game being in Chicago, it only made sense to do this collab, guys. Now, with the Air Max 97 forthcoming and the Air Flight 89, this futuristic silhouette opts for a cool blue similar to the stripes on Chicago's flag for its uppers. Now at the heel, we have the hints of purple, green, and yellow that take over the suede overlays and the TPU molding. While on both of the tongues, we have the cartoons for the Lyrical Lemonade company, and the logos are also on the insoles. On this one's the right one, and this one is the left one. It's really cool. And down below there's a plump air cushioning that dons the primary blue hue, but translucent outsoles reveal the more Lyrical Lemonade signature color palette just underneath this wavy traction here, guys. Now this, once again, is called the Jordan Aerospace 720, and it is retailing for $210 US. It is sold out on sneakers. It is trending on StockX for a little bit above retail right now. If I were you, I'd grab it.
The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World changed, all he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World changed, all he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Any day could have been dead. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry red. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things.
I want to add, guys, that there is 3M in this on the tongue, at the bottom, and the top. And I believe in the shoelaces. I took a picture and I thought it popped a little bit on the flash. Now, guys, I would recommend getting these. They are sold out. Try to grab them. They may go up in price. There's a whole lot of detail into these, guys. I hope I gave you everything you need to know. Until next time, salute.